welcome back to my YouTube channel. And as you know, as you see here, there's like some slimes. So we're gonna start playing with them. Here's the first slime. This is not actually slime, it's putty. There. So we're gonna open it. Guys, this is really hard to open. I think one of my friends has this. Guys, how do you open this? This is so hard. So this is the slime we're gonna get. Right here. So we're gonna open it. I think it's gonna be like unicorn colored. See? It has a unicorn. See, it has a unicorn right there. So, guys, this is really hard to open since this is like unicorn. Wait, this is really easy now. You just have to twist it and pull it open. I think this is how you do it, guys. My mom's gonna help me. So this is my next slime. It's like in a cool bottle, but we're just gonna wait. Ooh, guys, this is purple slime, and I think it's gonna turn into like all the colors. So I have it in my hands, like out of the package. I'll say it's open. It's still packaged. Oh no, guys, it's not still packaged. It just looks like it because it's purple. This is like so hard. Everything is hard today. Ugh, I got the hang of this, guys. So here it is. It's like really sticky. It's like it's a little hard, like. This is putty. This is not slime, guys. Look at the little head. Look at that little head. It is eating it. So I'm gonna play with it for a little. And next I go on to this slime. This is the slime I already made. So we're gonna put it back in the tub. Place it down. Now where's the cat? Right.
Under.
Guys, that was tricking me. Silly me. Guys, this is so hard. Oh God. We're gonna go into the next slime. So let's open it. You like have to twist it. Not like this one. It's like really cool. This one you can actually see like all the colors. Okay, I'm just gonna open this. This has no pull opens. Everything is hard to open today, guys. We're just gonna move that should get this one, it's like this one. Look at that pink, guys. So cool. Oh, guys, the purple is coming out. Oh, the blue's all the way in the bottom. There's a lot of blue. Guys, this is not like sticky slime. This is like the stickier slime. This is the stickiest slime of all. It's a Hello Kitty one. I got this from McDonald's and you just put it in there. So it looks cool. Guys, this is really hard to get out. I told you guys everything's hard to get out. Guys, you see a little blue right there. Can you see that blue? I'm focused in this. I'm not focused in on you guys, so sorry. Guys, today is the 8th. So if you're watching this video, it's not today. It's not the day that we're watching it. This is really hard to get out. Wait, maybe you need a... So, this is what all I got out. This is so cool. I'm going to play with it for a little. This is so cool. Guys, you should actually really get this slime. It's at Target. It's really cool. It has this bottle on this cap. It's going to be like this. And it has this slime in it. So you better go check it out. It's in the back. Wow. We're going to put it back in. Oh God, wow. And like last week, I told you that I'm gonna do the shout outs, so I'm gonna do them. Guys, did you hear that? This is farting slime. It sounds really funny. Every time my grandma and grandpa used to hear that, they would laugh. You just say it again, guys. That was so funny. Sad dreams. We almost got it all out, guys. It just farted again. Get in there. I just say a pig noise. That was so funny. And it's getting all over the table. My mom went like my mom went like that. Guys, and in the end of this video, I got a surprise. I'll tell you what it is in the end of the video. and go to the homemade one. So let's open it. Wow, that's so cool. I made it by myself, guys. Oh no. I'm gonna keep this off of the table. It's really sticky. So we're gonna put that back in. And now it's time for shout-outs. That's the wrong way, guys. Okay, so we're done. Now for the shout-outs. I give a big shout-out to my cousin and a big shout-out to her little. And those names are Madison and Isaac. A big shout out to you guys. And also give a big shout out to my mom and dad helping me make this video. And now it's time for the big surprise. I put all of them out in like separate groups. But more, guys. So this is my one putty. It's so cool. So we're just gonna put this to the side. Just on the table. And we got this unicorn one and this jug. And this one in the back here. Bye guys. I'll see you in the next video. And comment down below what toy you want to see next. So bye. Remember to like and subscribe to Everyday Mila. Bye.